Theyyam. And Theyyam is a very strong ritual art form coming from North Kerala. Currently we are all now in central Kerala, so we, nor the southern Keralites, we don't celebrate it. It's only in the northern belt this festival is actually happening. And the belief behind the art form is very interesting. The artist, when they go through the facial makeup and costume, they have to pray to the deity they are representing. There's a lot of mantras, a lot of prayers, it's a process actually. And by the end of it, the belief is that the deity's power would be possessed onto the performer's body, and the performer is considered like a demigod during performance. And this is how the name Theyyam came for the art form. Because Theyyam, in our language, it means Devam, and Devam meaning God. Very simple. So definitely the artist will be in an excited state. You can even call it in an eccentric state. They go into the trance state. That is how the art form is. So nobody has to get worried. That is how the art form is. There is no choreography done. You cannot do choreography to Theyyam. All I can do is just let him loose, and that's what I will be doing today. Nothing else I can do. There is no choreography done for Theyyam ever. There is no colleges, schools or university teaching this art form. That is not how the art form is getting propagated. It is done by a particular caste of people, and it is kept within the family. It is passed on from generation to generation within these families, and these people have been doing it for the past 3,000 years. So this is not just a mere art form for them. It's more like a very strong tradition for these people now.
Thank you.